Good afternoon, students. Today, let's discuss the next property, that is electronegativity. Electronegativity means tendency of an electron or atom which attracts the bonding pair of electrons. As we move down the group, electronegativity of the boron family goes on increases compared to the group 1 and group 2 elements. Means group 13 elements have more electronegativity compared to that of group 1 and group 2 elements. As we move from boron to aluminium, electronegativity goes on decreases because atomic number will goes on increases and nuclear charge will be goes on decreases. As we move from boron to aluminium, atomic number goes on increases, nuclear charge goes on decreases. That's why electronegativity will be decreases. Nuclear charge means it is the net positive charge that electron experience from the nucleus. Whatever the positive charge experienced by that electron from the nucleus, that is called as nuclear charge. As we move from boron to aluminium, atomic number will increases, therefore nuclear charge decreases, therefore electronegativity will be goes on decreases. After aluminium, from gallium to thallium, electronegativity will be goes on increases because due to the imperfect shielding effect of d orbital electrons. Due to the imperfect shielding effect, electronegativity from gallium to thallium will be goes on increases. Next, that is physical property. Physical property means it is the study of density, mass, color and odor. These are the physical properties. ಈಗ first one, boron. Boron is a non-metal and it is hard and black colored solid. First physical property about boron is it is a non-metal and hard and black colored solid, and it has unusual melting point due to the strong crystal lattice structure. Boron having the crystal lattice structure, therefore it doesn't having the specific melting point. Rest of the members, aluminium to thallium, having these are soft metal with low melting point, and gallium have low melting point and it is exist in liquid state, therefore it has high boiling point. Gallium having low melting point means high boiling point because gallium which is present in liquid state. And density of these metals as we move down the group will be goes on increases because atomic mass as well as atomic number will be goes on increases. These are the physical properties of group 13 elements. Next, physical property ಆದ ನಂತರ chemical properties. Chemical properties ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ reactivity of these group 13 elements with air, acids and some alkalis. First one, we see about the oxidation state of these group 13 element. These group 13 elements have +3 oxidation state. Boron and aluminium shows +3 as well as +1 oxidation state. As we move down the group, stability of +3 oxidation state will be decreases and stability of +1 oxidation state will be increases. This is due to the inert pair effect. Second point ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ as we move down the group from boron to aluminum, stability of +3 oxidation state decreases. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ boron ka ಮತ್ತು aluminum ka +3 oxidation state stable ಅಲ್ಲ. That's why they try to attain +1 oxidation state. Why? Because due to the inert pair effect. Inert pair effect ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is the phenomenon of electrons remaining paired in valence shell. Means that electrons try to be paired in the valence shell or valence orbital. That phenomenon is called as inert pair effect. Rest of the members also have the some of the oxidation state, and the order of stability of +1 oxidation state is aluminum is less than gallium, which is less than indium, which is less than thallium. Means as we move down the group from aluminum to thallium, stability of +1 oxidation state will be decreases. Next, compounds which possess +3 oxidation state, they will always try to have the covalent nature type of compounds. Boron forms covalent compound and aluminum also forms the covalent compound, but aluminum also have the aluminum also have the capacity to form slightly ionic compounds also. For example, aluminum trifluoride and aluminum sulfur oxide, these are the compounds are generally ionic in nature. In trivalent state means compound having +3 oxidation state, the number of electrons around central metal atom must be 6 electrons. +3 oxidation state ಇರುವಾಗ ಅದರ ಮೊಲೆಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಸುತ್ತಲೂ 6 electrons ಇರಬೇಕು. But boron having in boron trifluoride, boron having only 3 electrons. Therefore, boron having the capacity to accept lone pair of electrons. Therefore, in this case, boron acts as a Lewis acid. Means a molecule having capacity to attract a pair of electron. Boron having around boron there are 3 fluoride ions. To attain stability, boron accept lone pair of electrons. Therefore, boron acts as a Lewis acid. The tendency of behavior of Lewis acid and the behavior of tendency of Lewis acid decreases as we move down the group, because as we move down the group size will be goes on increases. Therefore, tendency of behavior of Lewis acid will be goes on decreases. For example, in boron trichloride BCl3, which easily accept the lone pair of electron from the ammonia. For example, structure of boron trichloride, that is BCl3, planar structure. Ammonia having lone pair of electron. This boron have capacity to attract this lone pair of electron. Therefore, this structure becomes tetrahedral. This is called tetrahedral structure. Means to attain stability, this boron will try to attract this lone pair of electron from this ammonia. It forms the tetrahedral structure. Likewise, in aluminum trichloride, to attain stability, it forms the dimer structure, that is in that bond length of aluminum and chloride, that is 206 picometer, and here bond length 221 picometer, bond angle 118 degree, 79 degree, and this is 101 degree. This is also a tetrahedral structure. These are chlorines. This is the dimer structure of aluminum trichloride. In a trivalent state, means +3 oxidation state, the compounds being covalent, they will get hydrolyzed in water. For example, trichlorides on hydrolysis in water to form tetrahedral compound. Trichlorides when hydrolyzes with water, which forms the tetrahedral compound, that is metal tetraaqua compound. Here trichloride, this is a metal, means if we consider metal means chloride or chlorine having atomic number 17, which forms the sp3 hybridization. Means in 17 total 5 electrons are present in valence shell. Therefore, hybridization is 5 chlorine atomic number 17, which has 7 electrons in its outermost orbital. Fill these 7 electrons in these various orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ಈಗ ಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಈ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪೇರ್ಡ್. ಇವೆರಡು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವು, ಇವೆರಡು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವು, ಈ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಅನ್ಪೇರ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ these forms the sp3 hybridization. Means when +3 oxidation state of compound containing covalent natured compound, if they react or hydrolyze on the water, they will form the tetrahedral compound, which forms the sp3 hybridized compound. Next is the, if aluminum chloride is acidified in aqueous solution, which will form the octahedral compound, that is aluminum hexaaqua compound form ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. Which in this complex aluminum is sp3d2 hybridization. Aluminum contain sp3d2 hybridization. Why? Because